guess. Makima's the sole reason you're here, am I right?
Bingo!
Then I'm glad I beat the crap out of you. I'll do you a favor and tell her you ran away, terrified by the devils that would have ended you.
When you said you wasted kindness on me, but you are nice, cause okay, so I had some udon for the first time ever today. I also ate a sausage. If I didn't think it through when I agreed to this gig, I would die to keep this life.
Yeah, you are dreaming. See, a woman like Makima is way too good for a thug like you.
Huh? What the hell? Bet you're just saying that because you want it for yourself, huh? Num nut!
Swim for the balls, nothing else. Oh, balls.
A testicle devil appeared and went apeshit on his nutsack, ma'am.
No, he's lying.
Denji here is a human. However, he can also turn into a devil.
Damn straight. Pretty sick, huh?
Are you being completely serious?
Yeah, she's good. Hope I can hug her again someday. Got strawberry jam, plum jam, orange marmalade. Butter and honey were a nice touch too, but let's spice it up with cinnamon. I have created the ultimate toast. Oh. Friggin-tastic! Wow, 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 wow.
Finish it up!
Don't sleep on the toilet!